Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jason with Wolf Overland. We're in the shop on a Sunday. Why? Because we recently did the exhaust and delete on the EcoDiesel, and I want to pull the exhaust tube out and see what the EGR port looks like on a vehicle with 60,000 miles. Religiously used AMS oil since day one, and I've used Hot Shots EDT pretty much every fill up. I don't think I can count on my hand how many times I forgot, but religiously maintained. So we're gonna pull it apart. Let's see what it looks like. So I pulled the covers off. I already removed the foam insulators on the injectors just to get the heat out of this thing. And we're gonna pull this off, and then this piece right here goes into the intake. And that's the actual EGR going back into the motor. And we're gonna see if it's all gummed up in there like all the videos I've seen online. And here we are. Disgusting. We're gonna clean it up though. All right, we cleaned out the pipe. Nice and shiny and new again. Even the inside, I got that all nice and clean. So looking at the intake tube, this is after the turbo. Oil catch can is going to help out a lot with that oil blow by. But looking at the intake tube, so fortunately this stuff's not like tarred up, so it does freely, like you can literally wipe it away, like it's not gummy, and the engine's cold too, so it's not sticking. But all of this is because of that damn EGR. The EGR valve just recycling that soot and putting it back in the intake. What a stupid design that is. So we're gonna clean this up, put it all back together. Obviously this is never gonna get dirty again because we're not recycling that EGR soot back in the intake. And hopefully with the oil catch can now, we can just really clean it up a little bit more. Well, there it is right in front of me. Right down there. So the charge pipe before it goes into the turbo, it is directly to the right of that. I think it's a T40. All right, T27. You got two T27s to take the intake off. Just leave the harness on there. And then it's a T40 right here, which you gotta get this out of the way probably. All right, got it out. Doesn't look too bad. As always, thanks for watching, and a special thank you to my Patreon supporters. If you like these types of videos, please consider hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're notified of new videos. And for the price of a cup of coffee, consider joining my Patreon. This gives you sneak peeks and invites to Patreon-only meetups. Thanks again.